All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this beautiful 2017 Ram ProMaster. Just drop the keys. Ram ProMaster 2500 high top, long wheelbase with crap, I forgot how many miles on it. But anyway, power windows, power door locks, black vinyl seating, super nice, and best of all, minimum damage. Oh, it's got 19,000 miles, now I remember. Best of all, minimum damage on the body. Your front bumper, so you can see the front took a small hit and seems to have shifted this and the hood. I'll actually open it up to show you guys what it looks like in there. Let's do that real quick. To me, it looks fine. But shoot, hey, really the core support got moved, which moved the hood. Other than that, the car's fine. Just need to have some small little body work, maybe $400 or $500 there. All right, looks decent though. High top, quarter fender looks good. Here's your front passenger steel wheel. Your tire thread is. Let's try to check that out. Tire thread is 6/32. This entire quarter here, side of the driver's side here, looks pretty good. I don't see any dents or anything on them. Here's your rear passenger steel wheel. Rear driver's steel wheel, and your tire thread is at 10/32. See any hits here in the corner? I don't. Got your here's your front driver's door. You got your power windows and power locks. Your front passenger seat. Front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. It is a vinyl seating. Jump in here. It does come with the one key fob combo and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. You got your AM, FM stereo system right there. You got your AC controls right down below. You got some cup holders and stuff like that. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on or any issues. And your mileage of 19,620. Which completes the tour. Keeping it moving. Let's see how this quarter looks here. Rear bumper looks good. Rear doors look good. This door does have some damage on the panel here, like typical of all these trucks looks like. All right, this one here likewise down below. All right, this is what your trunk space looks like, or your cargo area looks like. Very nice, looks pretty good. Your wheel wells look pretty good. Normally they're all beat up and damaged, but these look pretty good. All right, all right. This here does have to have a dent here. Paint off another 2 right there. Actually, those are scratches. A dent, crease, really? 3, 6, 9, about 9 inches. A dent down below, as you can see. I'm not particularly sure if they would call that frame. Let's see if it goes past the body. No, it does not. Does not. Small dent there past the body. Oh, small dent there, but not really past the body. You can touch it underneath. Oops. Touch it underneath. All right. Take a look. So you can see there's the line. They'll probably call it frame because it's bent in a little bit here and somewhere over here. Here and here. All right. Here's your rear passenger seat. Rear passenger rim. And your tire right here is over 10/32. The sliding door looks good, and that obviously doesn't affect the door from moving. Boom. Or locking in place. This is your rear, what your side cargo area looks like. This door looks good. Here's your front passenger seat with no holes, no tears, no rips to that. Front fender looks good. Front passenger rim here looks good. And your tire thread is, what the heck? Tire thread is at 6/32. All right. See, all lights are working. I'm gonna get a ladder so we can go up there and check out the roof. All right, folks, we're back. And roof Looks freaking fantastic up here. I don't see any things, dents, or anything up here. All right. Yep. Looks fantabulous. Looks fantabulous, folks. All right. Roof looks good. It just has the damage really there. The main damage there, and some more here. All right, folks. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, this is a 2017 Ram ProMaster 2500 high top long wheelbase with 19,000 miles. If you have any questions, concerns, please don't hesitate to ask. And as always, folks, no tears, no rips, no holes. Thank you.